Today I'm reviewing Shopify, one of the most popular e-commerce platforms for launching and running your own online store. Whether you're new to online selling or looking to switch platforms, this video covers what you need to know from a real user's perspective. Starting with the dashboard, Shopify's interface is clean and intuitive. It's easy to navigate, even for beginners, with clear menus for orders, products, customers, analytics, and apps. Adding products is straightforward. You can include photos, descriptions, pricing, and variants without much effort. The bulk editor is especially useful when managing multiple items. One thing I noticed, though, is that image optimization needs to be done manually. There's no built-in compression tool. That could slow down site speed if you're not careful. The Shopify App Store is a double-edged sword. On one hand, there are thousands of apps to help with marketing, SEO, email campaigns, upsells, and more. On the other, many of them come at an additional cost, and it's easy to end up with a high monthly bill if you're not cautious. Some apps feel like they offer features that should really be built into the platform by default. Themes are another big aspect. Shopify offers a range of free and paid themes, most of which are mobile responsive and visually appealing. However, customization options on the free themes are limited unless you know how to code or hire a developer. The theme editor is user-friendly, but advanced changes require liquid coding knowledge, which might be a barrier for some users. Many useful links you can find in the description. When it comes to pricing, Shopify isn't cheap. There's a basic plan, but once you factor in the cost of themes, apps, and possibly transaction fees if you don't use Shopify payments, the monthly expense adds up. For some users, this might be a deal breaker, especially if you're just starting and not making consistent sales yet. On the bright side, Shopify's customer support is responsive and available 24/7, which is crucial when you're running an online business. There's also an active community and a large library of help articles and tutorials. However, for technical issues or custom development, you'll probably need external help, which can increase your costs even more. Performance-wise, Shopify stores load fast and are hosted on a reliable infrastructure. This means less downtime and a better shopping experience for customers. The checkout process is smooth, but customization is limited unless you're on Shopify Plus, which is enterprise level and quite expensive. Overall, Shopify is a powerful platform if you're serious about building a scalable e-commerce business. But it comes with trade-offs. It's ideal for those who can invest time or money into apps, themes, and potential development. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution and are willing to pay for convenience and scalability, Shopify is a strong contender. But if you're on a tight budget, the hidden costs can be frustrating. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest reviews and tips about building your online business.